Hello everyone, I am Ramesh KS. In this session, we will discuss about operations on stacks. Operations on stacks. So, what are the operations on stacks? So, the first operation is stack operation. So, what it will do? Stack operation. Stack operation creates a new stack that is empty. In new stack that is empty. So that is stack operation. So let us take, this is what a stack which is empty. This is a stack which is empty. With the help of stack operation we are creating this one which is empty. This empty means there is no element in this. That is stack operation. The next operation is push operation. Push operation. I am taking item. Item means which item I am going to move into the stack. So what do you mean that? Push add. Adds also you can write. Adds a new item. Adds a new item to the top of the stack. Top of the stack. Adds a new item to the top of the stack. So in this stack, so what is the top of the stack? This one. So let us take, I am taking the elements here. So this down is 0th position. This is first position. This is second position. Okay. Okay, so let me drag this one. This is 0th position. This is first position. Okay. Okay. This is 0th position. This is first position. Okay. In this I am moving, this is the top of the stack. This is what? Top of the stack. I am moving the element at this position. Okay, no? This is the top of the stack. So normally whenever the elements, if it is available here, suppose let us take, I am taking 2 here, 2 is there, 2 is here, and here 20, I am taking 21. So 21 is there. Now in this example, what is the top of the stack? What is the top of the stack? 1 is the top of the stack. So now I am erasing this. Now tell me which is the top of the stack? 21. Okay, now I am increasing the element by 1 unit. At this position I am moving an element. Okay, now at this position I am moving an element. here this is adds a new item to the top of the stack. This is at top of the stack right now. I am moving an element 5. This is what push operation. Push elements into the stack. Okay. Next, pop operation. Pop operation. What it will do? Pop operation. Pop operation. You have to write the function symbol. Pop operation removes the top item from the stack. Removes the top item from the stack. So in this example, this is a top item. I am removing it. I am removing this top item. I am removing this top item. I am removing this top item from the stack. So that is what pop operation. Now again I am taking another operation, peek operation. Peek operation. What this peek operation will do? It returns the top item from the stack. The top item from the stack. So this is the peek operation. Returns only. Suppose this is a top item 21. It returns 21 value. That is peek operation. Now I am taking another operation which is very important. This question is very important. Is empty. Is empty. Is empty is very easy definition. Tests whether the stack is empty. Test whether the stack is empty. So whether the stack is empty or not, it will check. If it is empty, it will give true. It returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. That is this operation. The importance of this operation. The final operation is size operation. Size operation. So what the size operation will do? It returns the number of items on the stack. The number of items. The number of items on the stack. It returns the number of items on the stack. So how many number of items in the stack? 2 items. So the 2 value will be returned with the help of this operation. These are the various operations on the stacks. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, total 6 operations. Okay, so that is the operations on stack. So at the same time we are discussing about operations on queues. Operations on queues. The same operation, the slight differences I am taking here. This is, I am taking one line here. Operations on stacks. Here operations on queues. Operations on queues. So number 1 operation, queue. It creates a new queue that is empty. It creates a new queue creates a new queue that is empty. This is queue operation. Enqueue operation, item, the same like push operation. So enqueue operation, what it will do, adds a new item to the rear of the queue. QUE EUE. Okay, so take one example. I am taking one example. This is what one queue which is empty queue. Okay, now this is one empty queue. So in this direction, this is one direction, this is another direction. This is two directions. Queue is in two directions. This is rear end of the queue. Rear end of the queue means this one. This is front end. This is rear end. This is front end. This is rear end. I am writing this is rear end. This is front end. This is rear end. So now it creates a new queue that is empty. This is a queue which is empty. So now enqueue means adds a new item to the rear end of the queue. This is a rear end of the queue. I am moving the item into this. This is rear end of the queue. 3. Let us take 3. That is enqueue. So dequeue means remove the front item from the queue. So what happens? This 3 value will be moving. 3 value is moving to this position. Again it will come here. Next position it will come here. Okay, now 3 will come here. Again this 3 will be traveling and it will come here. This 3 will be coming here now. Okay, now so now this is it reached to front end. Now dequeue means remove the front item from the queue. Suppose I am having some other elements like 5, 6. So which is the front item in this? 3. This will be removed with the help of dequeue operation. This will be removed with the dequeue operation. Okay, na? So I will write the dequeue operation now. Dequeue so what dequeue will do? Removes the front item, removes the front item from the queue. Removes the front item from the queue. That is dequeue operation. So next is empty operation. Is empty operation. What is empty operation will do? Tests to see whether the queue is queue is empty. Test to see whether the queue is empty. That is the is empty operation will do. So in this queue, whether the elements are empty or not, it will check. If it is empty, it returns true. Otherwise, it returns some value. Okay, na? So that is the is empty operation. So now the size operation. The size operation. So what size operation will do? It returns the number of items. It returns the number of items in the queue. It returns the number of items in the queue. So what are the how many number of items in this queue? There are the 3 number of items in this queue. So this operation will give the value 3. In this example, 3. If you take different example, the different value will come. It returns the number of items in the queue, it will return. That is the operations on stacks and operations on queues. Thank you everyone.